I'm back again, sitting in front of you and sharing whatever I learned previous day. It was the day about action taking, and yesterday I thought, why not to pursue more into in depth about copywriting, which I certainly like to do, and it has obviously fascinated me that how words can uh, create some actions out of you. So yesterday I learned about a framework which is used in copywriting, and it is called AIDA. We can pronounce it as ADA. So A stands for attention, stands for interest, D for desire, and A for action. So what we do in this ADA is initially we grab attention of the people through headlines. So that comes the first A. So, learning how to write a good, compelling headline, there is one evergreen resource which you can find, and those are the sponsored tabs, ads, which you can find on newspapers, websites, because those all are structured in a way where you get uh, like once you see the link you will just you can't stop yourself from clicking those. So the process of writing those compelling headlines, you can get it from there. Now comes the I, and that stands for interest. So how you can generate interest about something to a person? So it can only be done if there is something which will benefit them. So here in interest part you write something which benefits them in the longer run or in the shorter run, which transforms their life, which enhances their quality of life. And in interest section you just write what are the benefits they are going to get by reading that copy or by purchasing the product which you are selling through that copy. So having covered A and I, now comes D. D stands for desire. So once you have created all the interest, after attention you have created all the interest within the reader. Now comes the third part, and it is called desire, wherein you just write some sentences where you just entice and put more I should say impact upon the things which they would be missing if they are going to if they are not going to have that product. And it is those desires can be created by writing some time frame, and you are bound by this time frame until unless you don't purchase it you are going to miss out on these and this. So these are written in the desire section. And at last comes the action part, AIDA. Last A stands for action. So in action part what you do basically is you just ask the reader to do something at last. Either it will be to purchase your product, or list, or just give their email to you. It can be any kind of action which you want to uh, which you want from the reader out there. You have written that piece of content with certain aim in mind. So and that the last A stands for action, and you are going to do it by writing some compelling things like it can be the last the action can be impacted upon by a lot of manners, like you just ask them to give something uh, like in polite way you can ask, you just have to do this, or you have to push themselves vehemently, very strong manner. You just say, if you don't do this then you are certainly going to miss out on this. And if you don't do, I don't feel that here the sentences which you can include are, if you are going to miss out on this then you are going to certainly miss out on the growth which you will be having after having this product. So there are many ways to insight and action. So AIDA, I have covered all the four parts which I learned yesterday. It is the framework which is used by a lot of people in short form copy, in the long form copy, which actually goes up to 10 to 12 paragraphs long, or maybe more than that. It can be 2000, 3000 words long copy. So there is modification in AIDA. You include more and more sections where you have to build a trust through that big copy. Because until and unless you don't bring trust, the people are not going to read such a long form of copy of 2000 words or 3000 words. So in long form copy, you just innovate and put more sections inside your copy. AIDA format works perfectly in ads or short form copy. In short form copy, you just write 3 to 4 paragraphs at max, not more than that. So these were the learnings which I had yesterday, and I did some form of copywriting too for the products which I know, like it can be any pen, it can be any copy, it can be any bulb, it can be any cooler, anything. So I did 2 to 3 copies I wrote, and it obviously helped me in being more creative by finding more words to express upon what I wanted to say. So that's all for today, which I had to share with you. I'll be coming again tomorrow with new form of learnings which I had, and stay on this section to keep learning and keep improving day by day. That's all from me. Bye bye for today.